Hello guys and welcome to Tech Guru Academy. Today in this video I will show you how to download and install and use WhatsApp Business. So head over to Play Store and in search box type WhatsApp Business. Click on WhatsApp Business and click on install here. Let the download process complete. So now as you can see it's downloaded. Click on open. So you will see this kind of interface when you first open WhatsApp Business app. So in next video, you will learn how to set up WhatsApp Business app and create your profile and enter your address and everything else you need to know about WhatsApp Business app. Okay. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye. And by the way, all the links are in description for next video. So please check those out if you want to learn about WhatsApp Business app. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.